Runway ML, transforming video creation. Generative AI suite for video editing and effects. Runway ML is a generative AI creative suite designed for video generation, editing, and real-time visual effects. It provides cutting-edge tools for creators in the digital space. Customers face challenges in accessing advanced video tools that offer real-time editing and Hollywood-level effects. Runway ML addresses these needs with its innovative solutions. Runway ML offers solutions like Gen 2 text-to-video, image-to-video, inpainting, motion brush, and real-time green screen to solve creative challenges efficiently. Runway ML operates within a large and growing market, focusing on the TAM/SAM and SOM to strategically position its offerings and capture market share. Runway ML's business model revolves around key revenue streams and tactical decisions that promote growth. The company emphasizes customer-centric strategies to enhance its market presence. Runway ML distinguishes itself with frontier generative video models like Gen 2 and Gen 3, which are utilized by Hollywood productions, offering unique real-time visual effects. With over 3 million users, Runway ML demonstrates strong revenue growth and maintains a robust project state, reflecting its success in the market. Runway ML plans to expand its product offerings and focus on technological advancements. The company has set realistic growth projections to continue its momentum. Thank you for your time. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.